How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping problem? For that, first of all, you have to restart your device. Though restarting your device seems to be a simple solution, but it often fixes minor software glitches. For that, you need to hold on your power button, and here you can slide towards restart and easily restart your device. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is head into the settings of your mobile device. Then here you need to search apps and go to apps. Open the app management. Here you need to search Google Play services on the search bar at the top of the screen. Open it and here you need to tap on storage uses and now tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, you need to come back from the settings page and you need to locate Google Play services on your mobile device. If you could not if you are not able to locate the Google Play services on your mobile home screen, then you can head into the settings again and the apps and the app management and easily find out the Google Play services and tap on uninstall and again reinstall it from Google Play Store. So by doing so, your Google Play services keeps stopping issue will be fixed. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.